Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a straightforward tutorial on how to change your email on Eventbrite in 2025. Whether you're updating for a new job, better security, or just a fresh start, this process is quick and easy. By the end of this video, you'll have everything sorted out in under a few minutes. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Eventbrite account. Head over to the Eventbrite website or open the app and sign in with your current email and password. Once you're in, look for your profile icon. It's usually in the top right corner of the screen. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu, and select Account Settings or Profile Settings. This might look a bit different based on the latest updates, but it's generally straightforward. Now, in the Account Settings page, scroll down until you find the section labeled Email or Contact Information. You'll see your current email displayed there. Click on the edit or pencil icon next to it to make changes. Type in your new email address carefully, double-check for any typos to avoid issues later. After entering the new email, Eventbrite will prompt you to verify it. They'll send a confirmation link to your new email inbox, so keep an eye out for that email. Click the link to verify, which usually takes just a second. Once verified, head back to Eventbrite and hit the Save or Update button in your settings. Your email should now be changed successfully. One quick tip. If you're an event organizer, changing your email might affect notifications or event management, so review your settings afterward to ensure everything's running smoothly. And remember, if you run into any hiccups, Eventbrite's Help Center is a great resource. There you have it. That's how you change your email on Eventbrite in 2025. This simple update can keep your account secure and up to date. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and let us know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.